Question 40 is a 3D trigonometric questions again. In this question, they tell you that AB is vertical pole. So this imply this is perpendicular to the horizontal ground in any direction. And then we have angle CBD equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree also. After that, if the angle between the plane ACD, the plane here, and the horizontal ground is theta. So to locate the angle between a plane, we find an intercept line, and then we are going to draw from point A perpendicular to our intercept line to represent this plane. So this blue line representing the plane ACD. And then we also need to find a suitable plane, suitable line to represent the horizontal plane. So again, along the intercept line, we draw a green line perpendicularly to the plane. It's because this is a vertical pole, so these two lines will intercept at the same point. But anyway, so now we can locate theta. Theta is this angle. And our target is to find out tangent ratio of this angle. For this triangle, maybe I let this point be E. This is a triangle ABE in 2D. This is theta, this is right angle. Our target is tangent. So opposite and adjacent is what we need. Opposite side is 8, but we don't know what is the adjacent side here. So to do this, we need to look at the horizontal ground and we need to find out how long is the green line EB here. So I redraw the horizontal ground vertically. It's a right angle triangle B, C, D, and 8 and 15. So one of the methods to get the blue line here is you may use tangent ratio to find out this angle. And then we use sine ratio to find out the green line. This is one of the methods. Or another method is using the similar triangle. The big triangle and the small triangle here are similar. So I draw a smaller one, and then this is our EBD. So we know BD is 15. So we can use the ratio. And then this is right angle, so Pythagoras theorem, we can find out CD. CD is 17. So, which means that how can we get EB? We may just simply divide 8 by 17 and then multiply 15. It helps us to get EB. If you use the full format, is BE divided by 8 is equal to 17. 15 divided by 17. So BE is equal to 15 times 8 divided by 17. 120 divided by 17. So this is 120 divided by 17. Then we are going to write down the tangent ratio. Therefore, tangent theta is equal to opposite divided by 120 over 17. (17 over 15 is the answer. The answer is D. The first difficulty is you need to identify where is theta, and then you know your target is to find out the shortest distance from B to CD. And then you may use a similar triangle, or you may use area method. Area method, that means you know this is 8 and 15. At the same time, you know that the hypotenuse is 17 and you need the h here. So you may use the area. 15 times 8 is equal to h times 17. You can also get h very quickly.